Ford Kenya.
Simba, Simba, Simba. Usawa, haki na ukweli. My party, my choice.
Thank you very much. Today in Nandi County we are blessed because we have received the minority leader and the minority whip to be part of the Ford Kenya family. Ford Kenya is our home away from home. The home is Nandi, but Ford Kenya is our home away from home. And this is the party of choice for the members of Nandi County who are willing and hoping to join the politics of 2027 and going forward in the nation of Kenya. Nation building of Kenya will strongly depend on the members who are joining Ford Kenya because of its roots, its beliefs, and its manifesto that it has for the people of Kenya. So to the honorable members who have joined the Ford Kenya family, welcome home, away from home. This is your new home. In this home, we value the people and we value usawa, haki and kweli. Let me welcome our minority leader and minority whip to speak a little bit. Thank you.
Asante sana SG wetu na waheshimiwa wenzangu ambao tuko hapa. Nimefurahia sana siku ya leo kujiunga rasmi na chama ambacho ilikuwa ni pendekezo langu moyoni siku moja nitakuwa member wa Ford Kenya. Na tumekuja kama mimi mwakilishi kutoka ward ya Nandi, ward ya Kituya ward, nikiwa nimechaguliwa kwa awamu 3 ambazo nimeweza kuwakilisha wananchi. Na nilipokuja hapa niliuliza na nikapata ushauri ya kwamba chama ambacho nitajiunga nacho ni cha Ford Kenya. Na chama hiki ni chama ambacho kimetambaa kule mashinani sababu ya uongozi bora ambao tunaona mbele yao. Kwa hivyo mimi nina furaha, tunaitakia chama kiendelee mbele na tutaleta watu wengi sana kujiunga katika hiki chama. Na tunaomba ya kwamba hiki ni chama ambacho kiko na uungano na serikali ambayo iko. Kwa hivyo hatujaenda kando, tumekuja tu katika nyumba. Ingawaje kiwanja kimekuwa tumesonga tu kwa kiwanja kingine, but kiwanja ni moja. Kwa hivyo hatuna wasiwasi. Sisi tunaunga uongozi ambao uko rasmi na tutazidi kuunga hata rais, tukijua ya kwamba tutaendelea kuunga pia na tukitengeneza serikali ambayo inakuja. Asante sana kwa kunisikiza.
Asante.
I want to take this opportunity once again to welcome my brothers from Nandi County, and I want to thank our brother Hassan for bringing us very senior people from Nandi County. And I want to assure you, my brothers who have joined us, this is the place to be. This is the place where there is peace. Sisi hatuna uongo na hizo mambo zingine za kuchezea watu akili. So welcome to the party, and I know so many people are asking, where is Ford Kenya on the ground? I want to assure our members, our supporters, our people on the ground that we are ready and we are set. We are rolling out activities and we are going to work. We are going to revamp our party in all the 47 counties. So let us come out. When we are coming, please receive any member of the party who will come to do any activity. And I want to ask all our members who have been doubtful that the party is folding. It is now clear we are not folding and we are not going anywhere. We are there to stay, and let us work together. Those who left the party, kindly come back. Let us work together. This is our party. Ford Kenya have a rich history that we cannot manage to do away with. This Ford Kenya is a party that have brought us the deputy president and other leaders. So we cannot make such a mistake. So I want to ask our youth, I want to ask our women, let us come out and build the party. This is our home. This is where we are going to make the government come 2027 or with others. We are going to make sure 2027 we are going to fill all the candidates in all the 47 counties, from the MCA to the governor, and if possible, even the president, who knows. So, let us make sure we recruit the right candidates to come and work with us. And we are very sure, come 2027, we are going to have more MPs, more county assembly members and governors. And this time, Ford Kenya is going to be a parliamentary. And we are going to be the majority, not even minority, in the next parliament. So we are out to work and we are ready. And my brothers and sisters, please let us build Ford Kenya. This is our heritage. Thank you.